Namaskar everyone, I am Ritu Kaushal with you. May God bless you with all happiness and love. Green Tara is a very beautiful goddess and she is a blessing for all human beings. When Lord Buddha seen a lot of pain in this world, so once a teardrop come down on earth from his eyes, and this is the beginning of Green Tara. Green Tara is a beautiful, soothing energy who heals our emotions, physical ailments, physical problems, social issues. It is like a best example of a powerful mother who is ready to help you anytime, who feels joy to heal and help her children. Green Tara became founded by Stephen Covey, and we should pay thanks to him. Thank you, sir. There are many inner obstacles to our mental development, and these inner obstacles can create external obstacles. To obtain success in our Dharma practice, to actualize the path to enlightenment, we need to rely on a special deity or Buddha. For example, Tara, all actions of the Buddha manifest in the female form. Tara, to help sentient beings successfully accomplish both temporal and ultimate happiness. Goddess Tara actually heals our all layers of body, because whatever we store in emotional body, that comes out in our physical body. So if you heal your emotional body, so automatically reflections would be a beautiful inside. Who is Green Tara? Story regarding Tara, which tells that Chenrezig, Kuan Yin and or Avalokiteshvara had been working for a long time to help sentient beings. He had been able to help hundreds of thousands of beings become free from samsara, but then he checked and realized there were still so many more beings suffering in samsara. He began to cry, and from the pool formed by his tears, a lotus arose, and Tara appeared from the lotus, saying, "Do not worry, I will help you." Thus, Tara is associated with Janarizik as well as with Amitabha Buddha. She has a tiny image of Amitabha Buddha on her crown. What is the benefit of learning this modality? Lama Zopa Rinpoche further explains that through practicing Tara, we can obtain the following benefits. First one, we can create a great deal of merit. We can avoid a suffering rebirth in next life. We can quickly attain enlightenment. We receive initiation from millions of Buddhas all over. Our wishes can be fulfilled. For example, it can help us with our health, business, getting a job, having a child, etc. 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 It protects us from fear and danger. It is said that Tara protects from the eight fears: attachment, anger, ignorance, jealousy, pride, miserliness, wrong views, and doubt. Green Tara heals us on depth level to found our purest form. It is like to analyze our own presence in this world. She is the form of purest motherhood. Goddess Tara heals our worldly desires and also prepares us for liberation. This can be said Green Tara is a great gift for humanity. What are the course details? First, introduction to Green Tara, connection of Green Tara with Buddhism, Green Tara meditation and attunements, symbols and their training, invocation of Green Tara mantra and its knowledge, healing method with Green Tara, and attunement method. Green Tara is a complete course. It does not have many levels. It is one complete system. Anyone who has wish to learn, that person can join it. Mode of learning: any messenger which has camera or email mode 2 available here. Facilitator is Ritu Kaushal. Please write or message on Kaushal Reiki and the rate of gmail.com. One more thing I want to tell you about the Green Tara modality. It is said that after 3B level we should do, and if someone is doing after Kundalini Reiki, so it is perfect. But now these days, as I am seeing, people are having financial problems and they have very less money to spend on spiritual beings. After Green Tara, you will never feel the suffering of money, because Green Tara actually bless a lot in financial area. So I am giving this attunement after second level, but that person should be properly learned of Usui Reiki. This is not for the people those are not serious in healing and devotional healing. Thank you very much, everyone. You gave me your time to listen with patience and love. Thank you. Peace and light, and smile always. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends as well. Thank you very much. Om Shanti.